Thutha wa president wa kana wa Kenya Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta kurikia gwathana matena make meri akoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kurimira thayo gitaro-ini kia Africa ica ikuhi akioneka gutara president muthure wa Nigeria mitabarire-ini ya kuruta wira.
The peaceful resolution of conflicts on our continent, I remain alive to the fact that I must continue to play a part in fostering peace in my home country of Kenya. The contest is now over, and the hard work of building a prosperous and unified Nigeria now begins.
Akiaria muthi umwe mbere ya mugathe Bola Tinubu kunywa muma wa afici muthi wa Jumatatu, the president wa bururi wa Nigeria Uhuru oritie Tinubu gutuika gitugi gia thayo thiini wa bururi wa Nigeria.
As you celebrate victory of an election and prepare to inaugurate a new president, remember that your victory is not just about numbers, as Western democracies would have us believe, but that the real victory will be how you will reach out to all the voices in Nigeria, and how every Nigerian, from Katsina in the north to Port Harcourt in the south, from Bambana in the west to Maiduguri in the east, how they will all feel included in your victory and see.
Ndumiriri-ini yake mutongoria wa tene wa bururi wa Kenya auritie mutongoria mweru wa bururi wa Nigeria gutigana na uteti wa ciama na miaho, akienda himbirie nginyagia mung'ethaniro na gutigirira ati ni atungatira andu othe a Nigeria gutari na muthutukanio.
From the tactical politics of an election, and assume your role as Nigeria's vision bearer. And I remind that the mentality of winner takes it all can only result in division and retardation of our national development agenda.
Ihinda-ini riu Uhuru akoria Tinubu guikara muhari-ini wa mbere hari gukuria tabarira cia gutwarithia na mbere gitaro kia Africa, akienda anyitane na atongoria angi kuma gitaro-ini giki kia Africa.
As your fellow African, I look forward to a Nigeria that emerges from this transition ready to flex and fight for its rightful place on the global stage with both hands at the ready.
President wa tene Uhuru wa Kenyatta agatugiria atongoria na aikari a Nigeria ni gutabania ithurano cire na thayo na waragania, akimoria makinyire o hau guku akimahe mukana wa ithurano cire na ngui kuria acoketie mukwa na thutha akiririkana ngero ria yahanikire bururi-ini wa Kenya mwaka-ini wa 2007.
Countries are in election mode. The people and its leaders are more divided than ever and boxed into their various sectarian and partisan interests. However, when you are the head of state and you take command of the country's armed forces, you become the embodiment of the sum total of the many different ethnic groups, religions that make up your country, and you become the symbol of unity. Indeed, you become the face of Nigeria.
Bola Tinubu egwathana miaka ena kuringana na gatiba ga bururi wa Nigeria, akiyukia mathaga ma wathani kuma kuri President Muhammadu Buhari uria wathanite matena make meri kuma mwaka wa 2015 ari rita ria mugwanja ria ituika ria wathani bururi-ini wa Nigeria. Handu-ini ha Wega TV njitagwo Kamau wa Githĩnji.